God, fucking manuals. Scroll down a little bit more on the bloody manual. Yeah, of course it is. Of course it's 25 bloody pins I've got to wire up. Input outputs. They all got follow the same bloody continuity, except wait a second. What's he looking for? You found something, Bear? So I'll ignore that bit there. That looks more like the wiring diagram. Yeah, but still, just connect up all the bloody wires. Connect them up all as is. Yeah. Oh, bloody hell. 25, 50 bloody wires to bloody wire up. 25 of them to bloody solder.